This is where it all begins. They come to this shelf and they pick out the piece that they're going to work with.
I'm Tammy Simmons. I'm the Executive Director of Access. We've been around for 23 years. The Access mission statement is expanding individual potential through innovative instruction. We're offering therapy services, occupational, physical, and speech therapy, special education services, and with our older students, we really get into vocational training.
Just a little bit more on there.
Karen, how long has the ceramics program been underway?
A little over 12 years. We have a really great time in here. We pick out our product, we create a design, they pick out the colors.
Well, it's really amazing all the things that you all create from beginning to end, and then they sell them.
Yes, we talk about knowing your customer,
Sure.
first of all,
Right.
creating a product that's consistent and that people would want to buy. You know, it has to look good.
Karen, our ceramics teacher, really works hard not only to have creative designs that the community would want to purchase, but also to have creativity in how the students can produce the items with their ability level in a way that they're beautiful and are marketable. The community frequents our ceramic sales, gives our students an opportunity to practice customer service skills, their communication skills, helps build their confidence and pride about what they've done, and these sales almost always were sold out.
How do you see the arts really helping with cognition and just overall development for your students?
I think in this classroom what they really work on is problem solving. They have a task and they have to take a project from start to finish, and they
Yes.
have to think for themselves, how am I going to get there?
Yeah.
I think that is really applicable to so many other things in life.
Some of our students have really blossomed and flourished, learning and applying skills that aren't necessarily found directly in a textbook.
Once a student is finished with the work, we put it on this shelf. It has a note card that tells me who did the piece so that we can label it and put their name on the bottom. Then we can dip it into the overglaze and get it to the kiln to be fired.
To have an opportunity to have a vibrant ceramics program where students are getting to enjoy creating a piece of art, tell a story with that art, practice vocational skills, that's really some of the building blocks for written expression.
Once the firing is complete, we can open the kiln. Here's a piece, a little scalloped bowl. Here's another. This is one of our fun pieces with the hamburger and french fries. You can see it's nice and finished.
We have a few students that come to us with artistic ability already. You know, they have been complimented on their ability to draw or paint, but then we've found that ability in some students that we didn't know had that ability. You know, maybe they have a particular sense of how to put colors together or how to accent a certain piece. And really to discover those things about a student and then watch the student that may have seemed like more of an introvert blossom and really shine and, you know, have their piece be the highest seller, or have a piece that they're able to create for a grandparent that may live far away. You know, it's all those things that every student, you know, desires and wants, and to have those opportunities for our student is very special.
There's just something about using your hands and making something where you can focus on it. There's a real calm that comes over me when I'm painting or even down in the soil planting.
Yes, I think arts are very therapeutic, especially today with our busy society. Everything's so fast-paced and we
Yeah.
don't slow down as much. So I love that they come into the classroom and they get to really focus on something and slow everything down and really pay attention to detail.
Wonderful. Keep up the great work. This is such an exciting program.
Thank you so much. We love it here.